Now there is one MAB program. What is MAB program? MAB is Man and Biosphere program. Is an international biological program of UNESCO, which was started in 1971 and was introduced in India in 1986. MAB has studied the impact of human interference and pollution on abiotic, and basically they have carried out studies which studies the impact of human beings on the biodiversity and what are the necessary steps that has to be taken. They just lay out the framework, how to work, and what steps are needed, how those steps are to be executed. So all these things are done under MAB program. So this was your in situ conservation. Next is your ex situ conservation. I earlier told you ex situ conservation is protecting any plant or animal by taking it out of its own natural habitat and protecting or giving it preservation somewhere else. किसी भी प्लांट एनिमल को उसके अपने नेचुरल हैबिटेट से निकाल करके कहीं और ले जा करके उसको कंजर्व करना, दैट इज़ योर एक्स सिटू. एंड देर आर वेरियस मीन्स, जैसे इन सिटू कंजर्वेशन के बहुत सारे मीन्स थे, लाइक बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स हैं, आपके सेक्रेड ग्रूव्स हैं, एंड देन आपका ये पार्क्स हैं, नेशनल पार्क्स एंड ऑल दैट, सेंचुरीज़ हैं. वैसे ही एक्स सिटू के भी बहुत सारे वो हैं मेथड्स हैं जिसमें दे आर मीन्स ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एन वैरायटी अवे फ्रॉम द मीन्स. बेसिक आइडिया ये है कि कोई भी प्लांट एनिमल आप लीजिए, उसको you have to carry it away from its natural habitat and you are going to preserve it somewhere else. It can be in the form of a cell, it can be in the form of seeds, it can be in the form of tissues, it can be in the form of DNA, or it can be in the form of eggs and sperms, it can be a form of the whole animal or the whole plant also. So in whichever way, that depends upon the plant or animal you wish to conserve. So there are live collections of wild and domesticated species and botanic, like there are botanical gardens. What we do in botanical gardens, we bring plants from different parts and we just plant them and take care of them. Botanical gardens में plants की conservation की जाती है, but plants do not belong to that particular botanical garden. Their natural home is somewhere else. And zoos also, zoos में we captivate we keep the animals, we try to give them their natural habitat, but that is an artificially created environment. That is not their natural habitat. So there are seed banks, tissue culture facilities, and there are like many natural zoological parks and many other methods of ex situ conservation.